Cold calling can be tough and time consuming, but GoHighLevel makes it a lot easier. In this video, I am going to show you how to use GoHighLevel for cold calling, from organizing your leads to automating follow-ups, so you can reach more prospects without wasting time. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses on GoHighLevel. So check the link from the description and grab the offer, and let's get back to the video. First of all, you need to get your leads into GoHighLevel. You can add them manually by clicking like here, and you can add one by one, or if you want, then you can import your contact from here. Okay, so we are not going to show that. So once your leads are in, GoHighLevel automatically stores all their contact information, phone number, email, notes, and past interaction also. This way you have everything you need in one place. Next step is the pipeline. You can create stages like new lead, contacted, interested, or follow up. So as you call the people and update their status here, just drag and drop, everything moves automatically. You can see at a glance like who is hot and who need to follow up and who is not ready yet. So this keeps your cold calling organized and efficient. Now, one of the most powerful features is the built-in calling system. GoHighLevel lets you call directly from the platform, record call, and even leave the automated voicemail. You don't need a separate phone system, and every call is logged automatically in the client's record. This helps you to track progress and follow up without losing any information. Now, after the call, you can use the workflow and automations to follow up automatically. For example, if a prospect doesn't answer, then GoHighLevel can send a text message or a email. So when's a good time to talk? So it can write like, hey, sorry to call, like what is the good time to talk with you? Or if they show interest, you can schedule a follow-up email sequence to nurture them further. So this keeps your leads engaged even when you are busy to making other calls. Finally, GoHighLevel allow you to analyze your call result. So you can go on this reporting, then just here call reporting, you can analyze the data, the calling data here. So over the time, this helps you to improve your approach and get better answer or the better result from your cold calling efforts. So in short, GoHighLevel makes cold calling more organized, more efficient, and more effective. So get your lead in, use the built-in calling system and set up the automation and follow up consistently. And you will see how much easier it is to run cold leads into a paying clients. So if you want to try GoHighLevel for free and test these features for yourself, then check the link from the description. You can get the 30 days free trial link, the exclusive bonuses, and obviously the live bootcamp access. So don't miss the offer. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.